Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over an update from Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG, Z-Dizzle my nizzle. This was released today, February 16th, 2022. And we're going to take a look at it and see what they have to offer us, and we'll go ahead and break down the charts. Last update was from January 10th, and now we waited about a month or so, and it's usually kind of how we do here is wait about a month, 2 months, I don't know, 6 months, but we got something today, so that's great. I did buy some more today. I bought about 650 shares today, nothing too extravagant, just bought a little bit to kind of average down, kind of nibbled back and forth. So here we go. Dear Zion supporters and shareholders, 2022 has kicked off to a fast and exciting start for Zion and its operations team as we prepare to continue developing and testing the MJ2 well. We are pleased to announce that all necessary services for completing the well, along with enhancement and reservoir testing, have been secured. Zion has partnered with some of the leading petrophysicists and stimulation experts in the United States to plan the next phase of the operation. As Zion continues to navigate manufacturing and logistical delays, the plan is to resume operations in Q1. These operations will start with necessary recertifications and inspection of the rig, while also upgrading critical systems that will benefit this operation and allow for enhanced drilling operations in the future. Upon completion, the inspections, upgrades, and rigging up, the crew will complete the final casing and tubular run before moving on to the enhancement and reservoir testing phase. We continually give thanks to God for our loyal shareholders and supporters who make all of this possible. We will continue to provide material updates when we have relevant information to share with the public. Sincerely, Robert Dunn, CEO. So, my thoughts on this: it's good to have an update. Still didn't really tell us what we want to know. Okay, so good to know that we're still alive and we're still still going. But man, it just seems like it's taken so much longer than anticipated. It's kind of a little, I guess, the only frustrating part, but again, at least they communicated with us and let us know what's going on. This is going to be linked in the description below. And of course, a reminder, you can follow their Twitter page, you can follow their Facebook page, the Facebook group, Zion Oil and Gas Investors. You can follow that as well. Their StockTwits page, a lot of different things you can do to follow along with the company. But I'm just going to tell you, don't expect any type of news until next month sometime. Don't get beat yourself up or get all upset, because I don't think that they're going to have anything to share until mid-March, late March now, and hopefully it's something a little bit more materialistic than this. So anyway, but overall it is good that they did update us on something, so I am glad for that. But don't waste your time going in the chat section and bothering these people, because they're not going to tell you anything, because they can't tell you anything. I reached out to them again yesterday saying, hey, just checking in, everything's still good, and they said yes, everything's fine, nothing new since the past update from the 10th. And kind of the same spiel of we'll let you know when we have information to share. So anyway, let's go ahead and look at the charts to see what you're telling us, and we'll kind of go from there. All right, guys, so looking at the charts of Zion Oil and Gas, this Fibonacci retracement level is updated as of today, because we did hit a low of 10 cents and some change. We broke below that 0.1065 and got all the way to 0.12. Like I said, I did buy some more today, threw a few bucks in, and picked up about 650 shares to even out my position, because my OCD was kind of kicking in, to be honest with you. I had an uneven number of shares. So we are at the bottom of the fib level. Currently 0.1012 is your overall bottom floor. We did get a buy signal right before close, and we had some volume picking up. So it'll be interesting to see exactly how we come out tomorrow on if we react positively to the news, or if we just kind of have a little false breakout. It could come up to about 14-15 cents, maybe even 17 cents. But the overall thing is we have to get above this red SMA line, which is about 17 cents, and hold above that to make it a little bit more of a confirmation to know that we're going to go back towards the upside. Your first level of resistance is a little over 21.5 cents. And then if we can bust above there and hold support, then you're looking at about 30.5, roughly about 37, 43, 51. then all the way up to about 64 cents. Okay, 63 and some change. I'm going to go ahead and call it 64. So, but we have to, again, get above these resistance lines here, and we have to hold there. So as you see here, we got above it and got rejected. We got above it, we held, then we went up again, then we also, all of a sudden broke below them, and we started on the downward slope again. So that's the major thing, is we want to make sure that we can get above at least 21 to 22 cents and hold there. Something to think about is triple ENF, man. This thing is starting to pick up some steam a little bit. I don't know if it's going to come out swinging tomorrow, or if this is kind of a false breakout and we're going to fall back down. I have some some cash ready to get in. I was waiting for it to hopefully fall below and stay below that 0.28 level. Yesterday my funds weren't cleared, so I could have bought in here the other day, but I didn't have my funds cleared. So I'm hoping they can maybe fall back again somewhere in the twos, like 0.025, if I can get it that low. If not, then probably 3 cents is where I'll go and add to my position. But if this thing starts moving again, okay, and ZNOG does not react to the news, it may not be a bad idea, some of you, to grab some of your positions, roll it into here, let it ride the wave up for a couple weeks. You can take your money out and throw it right back into ZNOG, and then once it's ready to start moving, then you can get back into it again. But good news, though, the fact is, like I said, we got some type of updated information from the company. They're not, they're still alive. Everything's still going. Now we just got to see some price action. So I'm excited to see what happens tomorrow. Let me know your thoughts below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.